Multi-level output tactical LED flashlight, uses a Cree XHP70 LED and has a total of 7 modes on it. Let's see what's at the back. You've got some features of the DN70 tactical flashlight. It's a 3800 lumen flashlight, has a max runtime of 50 hours, beam distance of 325 meters, it's 1.5 meter impact resistant and is also IPX8 level water resistant. So these were some of its features. Now let's get started with the unboxing. I want to thank GearBest for sending me this product for review purpose. By the way guys, GearBest is having a huge sale this month. The preheat phase has already started and the main event is on 11th November. They're giving a lot of discounts on products, so make sure to visit their website. Let's open the box and check it out. Okay, we've got some paperwork at the top. It's a user manual. Make sure to read it as it's got complete info on the product. We'll keep it aside and check out the torch. So here is the DN70 flashlight. Wow, this thing feels solid in my hand. It's also very compact. Nice. This is how the front glass element looks like. It has an ultra clear scratch proof tempered glass. The build quality looks top notch. The body is made of aerospace grade aluminum alloy and the bottom part has a nice metallic finish in blue color. Really like the design. It says DN70 Flood King. The special thing about this torch is it doesn't throw light on a single spot. It has a wide flood area with a beam distance of 325 meters. You've got 2 buttons over here and an OLED display in between them. And on the other side you've got a USB port for charging the flashlight. Let me just open it and show it to you. Oh god, it is very tightly sealed, so there is no chance of water entering in it. It has a micro USB type port. Let me just close it and tell you its specs. It uses a Cree XHP70 LED with a high quality aluminum OP reflector. It can give a max output of 3800 lumens, has a color temperature of 6500 kelvins and the LED lifespan is around 50,000 hours. In case if you're wondering where the OLED screen is, it is right over here. The display is almost invisible when it's switched off. This is the multifunction button and this is the mode button. There's nothing else on it. Let me just show you the battery compartment. The battery compartment comes out like this. Let me just remove this plastic film so we can power it on and see later. Let me also show you the battery guys. This is the 26650 lithium ion battery. It's a 4500 mAh rechargeable battery and it comes free with this torch. That is nice, so you don't need to buy a battery separately. This is how the battery compartment looks like. Let's just put it back and check out the flashlight. The front tempered glass is super clear. It doesn't feel like there's any glass element on it. The quality is that good. Okay, we'll just keep it aside for now and see what else do we have in it. There's one more box here. Must be some accessories. You've got few O-rings in it. Oh, it's a flashlight holster. That is very useful guys. This is the belt strap, so you can easily hang it around your belt. Looks like there's something in the bag. Let's open it and see. Okay, you have a USB to micro USB cable for charging the flashlight. Let me put the torch in the bag and show you. So this is how you can carry the torch guys. It is very useful and the quality of the holster is also good. Let's keep all of them aside and power on the flashlight. Okay guys, we're at my terrace. Let's switch on the flashlight. There are a total of 4 brightness levels on it. This is the 20 lumens mode, which is the first level. This is generally used in situations where you need the most out of your battery. You can expect about 50 hours of runtime when the torch is used in this mode. Now we're in the 300 lumens mode. This looks quite bright. As you can see, it has a wide flood area and doesn't focus only on a single spot. And this is the 2500 lumens mode. It is very bright and can easily reach a far distance. Now this is not the final brightness level. You also have a 3800 lumens turbo mode. Let me just show you that. Whoa guys, just check out how powerful this torch is. That is so awesome. I've never seen a torch this powerful till now. It is super bright in this mode. It has a beam travel distance of about 325 meters and a runtime of about 1.5 hours when used in this mode. Along with these adjustable brightness levels, this flashlight also has few special modes. Let me just show them to you. By double pressing the left button, you can access these modes. The first one is called the strobe mode. Here the light flashes continuously like this. The brightness is also quite high. By double pressing again, you get the SOS mode, where the light flashes in a SOS pattern. Can be very useful while hiking or trekking. And finally we have the beacon signal. It can be used to show some warnings or can be used in case of any other emergencies. So these were all the available modes and brightness levels on it. Now let me just show you guys how powerful this torch is. Did you see that? With this single torch, all the buildings in my neighborhood are visible. You see that white building at the center? That's around 400 meters away from me and I can see it perfectly fine using this torch. That is really awesome. It's a super powerful torch guys, everything is good about it, but when using it in turbo mode, it definitely heats up a lot. But nothing to worry, it has an intelligent thermal control system. When the torch reaches 50 degrees centigrades, the OLED display will show a warning symbol 8 times every 30 seconds and keeps decreasing the brightness all the way down to 900 lumens to ensure comfortable use and prevent overheating. Now talking about the battery life was good, but it mostly depends on the mode you're using the torch in. If you're using it in turbo mode at max output, you'll get about 1.5 hours of battery life. In 2500 lumens mode, you'll get about 2 hours 30 minutes. If you use it at the lowest output, you'll get a max runtime of 50 hours, and the charging time took about 3 hours. So that was my review on the Lumens DN70 tactical flashlight. It's an amazing and super powerful flashlight. The build quality is top notch. It also has an OLED display, 7 different modes to use. It's also very bright. The only problem I faced was, while using it in turbo mode, it was getting quite hot after some time. But apart from that, this thing is amazing. The actual price of the torch is 7,000 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can get it from there. So that was it for today guys. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.